So for this video, we have a circular cone having an altitude of 9 meters is divided into two segments having the same vertex. So ito, if the smaller altitude is 6 meters, so ganina yung 9 meter is for the bigger cone, ito, nilagay na natin, and the smaller cone is itong 6 meters. So we're asked to get the ratio of the volume of the small cone to the big cone. So first, ano ba yung formula ng volume ni circular cone? Pi r squared, okay, pi r squared h over 3. So if it is a similar cone, so if we're dealing with similar cones, yung r po is directly proportional to h. So, bale, itong r is h. So, dapat, kasi sabi dito, ratio of the small to the big one. So, let's have the volume of the small cone over the volume of the big cone. So, ilalagay natin dito, that's pi, okay, wait lang, pi, lagay natin dito pi, yung r, let's say it's h cubed, kasi if this will become h squared, so that will be h cubed, okay, over 3, over yung volume ni big cone, which is same lang, pi h3 over 3. Take note, this one is for small cone, and this is for big one. So, ang mangyayari dito, we can cancel out pi over 3 and pi over 3. So, basically, ang matitira dito is yung height ni small cone raised to 3 over height ni big cone raised to 3, or you can just write it as hs over hb raised to 3. So, ang mangyayari dito, ang ratio ni vs over vb will be hs, meron tayong 6 over 9, so that will become 6 over 9 raised to 3. So, if you will use your calculator, it will give you 0.296.